that good? Where are you?
Lamina. What my beautiful girlfriend Margie. The most beautiful girl I've ever seen in my entire life.
What are you eating?
Pita.
What's that?
Crushed lentil with lemon.
What's that?
Pita. And that's garlic. I'm dipping it in there. It's really good.
Here, show them that.
What?
Watch and learn.